Welcome to our video on the fascinating process of making hay bales from cutting grass for animal feed. If you are living in a rural area, you may know what a hay bale looks like. But do you know how it gets from crop to finished product? In this video, we'll take a look at the process of making hay bale. The first step in making hay is cutting or mowing the grass. As many of you have seen, this is usually done with a tractor that has a special cutting attachment. It's important to cut the grass at the right time to ensure the best quality hay. The timing of the first cutting of hay of the year is based on the stage of plant growth and the conditions that are most favorable to allow the cut hay to dry out for the rest of the baling process. Once the hay is cut and on the ground, it requires a period of drying time so that the hay doesn't get baled with a high moisture content, which can cause it to mold or spoil. Hence, those are left to dry in the sun for a few days. This helps remove the moisture from the grass and prepares it for baling. Tedding is the process of using an implement to lift or fluff up the hay once it has been cut, to promote thorough drying of all parts of the hay. Raking is the final step in the drying process. After the grass is dry, those are raked into neat rows. This helps prepare it for the next step, baling. There are several types of rakes available, with the most popular being the wheel rake and the rotary rake. In this video, you will see the raking by rotary rake. The last step in the process is baling. The baling process is where the magic happens. A baler machine compresses the rows of dried grass into round or rectangular bales. This helps preserve the hay and makes it easier to transport. Round balers are popular because they are easier to use and require less labor. As a conclusion, the process of making hay has changed over the years. From the earliest methods of cutting grass with a scythe and raking it with a wooden hand rake, to the horse-drawn machinery of the 1800s and the tractor-powered processes of today. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and keep in touch with us for more interesting videos.